To my vlog. I'm here in Lulu again. I just buy what I need to today and tomorrow. Because they already have work tomorrow. I'm here in Lulu. Almost every day I'm coming here. Anyway, I've been here in UAE for almost 18 years. This coming September, I'll be 18 years. My first coming here is 2008 until now. Anyway, I am working as nanny, housekeeper in 6 employer. Now my employer is 6 family for the whole 18 years. First is Kabayan, and the second is American African, and Filipina American, and next is France and Russian, and then Kabayan again, and then Kabayan in Kabayan. That's my employer. And I'm here in WTC Mall. You know what I like in this mall? The best thing in the world. Ayun, they're selling souvenir. Souvenir. If you are a tourist here, you have so many souvenir. This is what I like. See? Good. Pambansang ibon in Tagalog. Anyway guys, see? It's very hot outside already. It's only 10 o'clock, but the weather's so hot. I think it's already almost 40 degrees. The weather outside. Anyway, here. I went to Lulu to buy what I need today and tomorrow, so that I won't coming here every day. Almost every day I'm going to the mall in Lulu to buy what I need in the house, what I need to cook. But now I ask if what we gonna cook tomorrow, so that I can buy, so that the next day, every other day, I'll go to the grocery to buy what I need to cook. Anyway guys, happy Monday everyone. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion. And of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.